Guys, I gotta tell you something. It's raining like heck. Yo, you guys should see this. Look at this. I get scared. Don't mind me. Can you see that rain? If you can. Can you see the rain on the window? Oh shoot, my hand. Guys, do you see that?
You see that?
Yo, I thought there was a fire. Like, it looked like there was a fire where that red stuff on, the lights. But it was just the lights on the car. Yo, do you guys see this? It's raining like... Oh my God. I gotta go outside, hold on. And I'm getting repaired. I'm putting on a towel. I'm putting on a towel.
Todo eso, ustedes tienen ahí en el piso, todo eso. Ya eso para muebles.
So I'm repaired. Alright. Time to go. But I'm really scared. Yo. No, Miguel. Tu cae. Oh my God, I'm getting wet right now. Yo, look at this. Yo, you would not believe the view I'm seeing with the rain. With the lightning thunders. Oh my God. No, I'm going back in. No. Bad decision. That's bad. Real bad. I got clean. Oh my God. Don't tell me. No, the freaking mop. Damn it. Yo, you guys. You're clearly not believing. Oh my God. I'm freaking cleaning the floor. Now I'm gonna put my towel down on the floor because it's hot like heck. Don't care if the rain is on my towel because when you get wet, you need the towel. I am not joking.
Comfy and away.
Just me go. Yo, I hear people screaming outside.
Comfy and away. Comfy and away.
Just me go.
Comfy and away. Comfy and away.
I think he's saying jumping out of the Yeah, thank you guys for helping me. Yo, I'm putting down the towel on the floor. I'm not going for that. Mommy! No. I don't care if that falls. The only thing I care if I don't get wet and just sit.
Comfy and away.
Here we go again. Oh my God! And again, the floor is still wet. Yo, my toes on the floor.